Woven Gradience is a beautiful offering that combines the elements of color and texture into a smart system that you can use for creating emotion and organizing your space. The experience is very tactile with a woven aesthetic. In design, we love texture, and we use it to stir sentiments like comfort. This can create warmth, visual interest, as well as softer acoustics. These are real physical properties that have emotion-generating qualities. We introduce color into Woven Gradience by indirectly emulating nature through small, successive striations. This technique allows neutral tones to softly merge into accents and other neutrals with no clear-cut boundaries. When you experience Woven Gradience, you'll immediately see the appeal and the broad range of aesthetics, but also think of it as a powerful design tool that uses color and texture to prompt behavior, influence mood, or create anchor destinations that draw people in, but more importantly, make them want to linger.